Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is grave of the civil servant is Mulu, December. The grave of the woman whose status of the civil service stage in the Regency Samulis Aceh was demolished by the police. The goal is to do demolition by the police autopsy on the female couple. It is his husband and the poor woman who won the victim. Currently, the police separated the victim's husband. The autopsy was performed from the wonder is a college and present to the deputy of the Tumdabli Civil Police, the Police Adjutant Commissioner Police Commissioner Jati Muko, and the police is Mulu with the number member team doctor and family victim also civil sub-district head is. Civil service grave is a country is a dissimulation officer and dissimulating to the grave a civil servant. It is so Mulu for the autopsy because she is in the unshonorable. Photo recorded on the Coolwater Village is Simulu, Saturday and 18 January 2022, but in the near future, cause of the death of the citizen of the area of the Cool to contest by the investigator. Currently, he continued by the investigator have the coroner has been victim on the behalf of the IRS, who has a civil service country in the Simulu Regency government. The victim was allegedly killed by her own husband, but for the motivation for the murder is still investigated process. Meanwhile, the victim parent remained confused that the child is unnatural, and as the police are investigation and punishing the perpetrators with heavily is the word and his action. The next news is some perverted couple that is rights sentences. A number of the perpetrator couple caught in the rainbow in the boarding house in the Purwokerto Sunday. Officer controlling race in the combination of the police unit team civil service together with the Agency District National Narcotics Banyumas. From the result of the raid, officer found the three were a nine couple, young people with a have not yet married alone in the room of boarding house. Even the average of the two caught in the rain are still 17 years old. First location raided is one of the boarding house in the Kriya Libas. Resident area Private Purwokerto was a boarding place known as in house. Oi, it a price low 135,000 night. They said the turnout of the boarding house is accommodation in the many payers are not official. We confessed ID card it might happen construction and seen from the type violation and the any. We will have the operation track to National Narcotic Agency. Setia Rehantara said, place is pretend to be a place boarding house, even though it's a house keep lodging and it can be ordered online. This is work for the house because it's boarding under the guises of private place like it's necessary we do. Fighting at the process Luganjing house permit, just like oil is not done online. So that difficult is terms of monitoring. From the result, it raided a several boarding house. The National Narcotic Agency officer to do found there is what two positive people using illegal drug, tramadol and opioid. But will the foster them and the third quickly by team, the National Narcotic Agency at the Banyumas. The next news is former head of the Sud Kuripan village, Muara Enim Correction Suspend Village Fund. former head of the Sur Kuripan village, Muara Enim Corruption Suspend Village Fund. Determination of the suspend this is after one constraint, Yusman Effendi, or the check-in for the 4 years. Thursday, under purchase former village head, Soman Sud Kuripan Mulian Enim. This village found corruption suspend with the suspicion of helping, result in state releases 570 million. Appointment of the former Kuripan village head Sud Muara Enim suspend village fund corruption Sasmit Kecari Muara Enim Irfan Wibowo. In the head of the interim Muhammad Ridho Saputra was accompanied by the head of the Pizzas, Ari Prasetyo, and head of the PP Irawan. This case experienced by the former Sud village, Kuripan village Sud district of Empati Pilua Tangku. Muara Enim Regency should be at least suspended for the village official. According to the Muhammad Ridho, that there is a person former village head of Kuripata should start from the community report to Muara Regency Inspector Enim. The Muara Inspector Enim Kraviat and the administration checking at the Sud Kuripan village finances. After checking out, internally half the art lost the country originating from the village fund budget from the 2016 and to the 2022. While the Saswan will in office, the Muara Enim Regency officers have given opportunity to suspend and to return 570 million, which is a link to the ban misappropriated. After wasting the limit, the approved time carried out, the money can still turn it. Saying they don't suspect good intention for the return to the body, Teres was Muara Enim Processor Office. Officer they suspend for the making investigation a result crying on. Added based on the result investigation turned out in the be suspend board pursuing to crime of the corruption is not a reward village financial accountability. Is it facilitation manipulative and access non-tax fee deposit can be not deposit country. And the result is so special audit and created by the Muara Inspectorate in the potential loss to the state which can support the 570 billion for the suspense sector. Continue Ari. We'll get to Article 2 and Article 3 of the law corruption law with the 3 suspects of the 4 years up to 20 years in prison. The next news is, Radin intend to Horace join the Operation Obey Krakatau. Bandar Lampung Police bring a national hero from the Lampung, Radin intend to in the middle of the Krakatau observation operational Saturday at the Tugu Adipura. Head of the Traffic Unit City Police, Lampung Adjutant Police Commissioner Rohmawan said, deliberately present a hero national original from the Lampung Radin intend to the artist reader to the access in the good driving and the courage. Explained by the Rohmawan for the explainer right will be 3 and the question asked and will be given a praise the proof that to help raise a basic necessity from the Bandar Lampung Police. For the motorists acts the any police electric traffic law enforcement and the privilege given to help at Krujia and the Restop Aldia Police Commissioner Rohmawan explained that according to the others from the Carlet and for the Addis operation no take action against manual. For in Lampung 3 are to the location where it is installed. Some of 3 are still route Trans Sumatra and Bandar Lampung with a 5 point. Up to 6-day ton, this Krakatau Obsidian operation with a Unit 111 action in the Bandar Lampung and 130 the driver is premature. There was a Valiatan Iron Day, where a Halam with going against current by the user safety belt, age and trader who breaking from the 25 to 35 years. The next news is the reason why the Nata Amelia is dispersed to the 5 robot. Mother's love in introdal. When child is hurt, mother will be more used the infilmate. The reason the child also make the mother to reckless, like what happened to Nita Amelia. They were hosted by the become fighting Aruba with the use sharp waters happen in the North Paninggalan, Ciledug, Tangerang City on the last Wednesday, 13 January 2022. It became public spotlight. Because Amelia has attempted despair to fight and took the rubber crying in the knife time in the machine for a woman finally revealed reason. Related to the action, this breeze is very brave. Nita said the action was a regular agents and no rubber because we do not hire a children who were agents in the minor tiger regat treat of violence in the rubber. The reason the head of the Princess Altaris. We stopped by the one Arubers where the action looking at the back's wallet Nita. Well, his youngest daughter, who is still 2 years and 11 months travel what the sisters trouble have the years pre-protester to robbery. It was done by the robbers for the fasting the princess the used by the silent because it is using loud cry. He judged that the brain of finally humanity because due to cruel acts a girl and the tutor, according to him, is not should be done to the children. Especially all the corruption of the host that the team we are just a human. However, the admit grateful to the two pieces have a beloved heart is not entirely on the outside or in. To catch up soon the robbers who totally 3 people. It because until now only 3 robbers, which was account by local people. The next news is Mr. Puan Maharani no problem Nasdem Khusus reward to be presidential candidate. Mr. Maharani confused no problem and Nasdem Khusus government of the Central Java, Ganjar Pranowo as a potential candidate president. In fact, according to him, it is reasonable because it's a very party has a message in individuality. However, Mrs. Dances that the PD want a final coalition with any party in the upcoming 2024 election, including Nasdem had implied that they can work some with the many party as long as the goal in the national stage. When asked by the presidential candidate from the Puan and party is the right, Megawati proposed Ganatif Soekarno Putri as her general chair as also injury only will stack to the Megawati presidency. Professor Deli Ganjar had expressed its firmness regarding to the half April to recommendation of the presidential candidate to the meeting of national work Nasdem. Regarding his gender, admits is not matter. He suspended that the as recommended has his things. However, said the Ganjar, he just will over Megawati Soekarno Putri because of him his party country is symbol this part. Promote his presidential candidate. According to him, the general election is still far away and the task of governor of Central Java is still much to be done. The next news is Sofiana Yusuf family story that Boboto. Bitter stories come from the world Indonesia football. Two Persib Bandung support become the fighting while watching the team her over its competition in her Gelora Bung Karno Lautan Stadium fire on the Friday. Sofia Yusuf, 20 years old, a young man with the Cibagiri Bogor City, one out between in the fighting giant while watching a Persib Bandung match at the Persebaya in the Group C President Cup 2022. Vian is in nickname. Azon, which is known as a Boboto member nickname Flower City team supporter Persib Bandung. Ilham fighting because intelligent figure with a who knows is a person who could never join in the trivial activity. Vian was born from the family who is a fan and the Persib Bandung but they only find in the know to have a high loyalty to the club that the one in Indonesia super language. According to the Ilham narrative, the room Vian also will attribute that they also smell the Persib Bandung. Gregory Persib, the striker, residing many others, now all has turned into the display to be remembered. Well, I think those all news for today with me, Kustul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.